there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, in the toy store, I actually found a doll that I've been wanting to have and I've been looking for everywhere in Sweden, and they haven't been around. But today, I got lucky. So, here's a brand new Nana surprise doll. And since it's a surprise, I hope I bought the right one, but I think so because there's a snowflake and actually she's the one who's supposed to be in here. And I know that this one is pretty complicated to open, so I might pause and try to unbox it a bit before I continue to film. Okay, so finally I got the first box open, and you get a straw because you're supposed to blow some air in here in this bag, and it's supposed to explode some confetti, I think. But I don't know where the hole is. Oh, it's here. It's down here. Okay, so let's see. We put it inside and we'll blow. Okay, so that didn't work. Maybe you're supposed to take this off first. Maybe I did it wrong. Or maybe it's just really hard. Okay, so we do this, and then it's gonna just poof with all of this confetti, but I actually don't want it all over my floor, so I might just skip that part, and maybe we can put it back in the box. Just pour it in here, just like that. No, now it's not even fully open. That's a bummer. Well, this was harder than I thought. I think we need a pair of scissors if we're gonna get this thing open, because it really doesn't open right now. Okay, now I got my scissors, and this is not the best video, but I'm sorry for that because this was real hard to open. Okay, so now I got it out. Is there something else in there? Oh, there's small surprises in there. Okay, bag's empty. Now let's see. Oh, here we have a poster of who we bought. These are the ones from series 2. I have bought the blue one. Her name is Aspen Fluff. And I actually also want this one, but they didn't have her in the store right now. They had this one, this one, this one, and that one. I'm not sure I want any of the others though. Yeah, but they're really cute. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so there were 3 things in there. There was this thing, a little bunny, and 2 surprise bags. Maybe we should start with the bags. I'm kind of curious about these. So in the first blind bag, there are her tiny little bunny shoes. So cute. And in the second one, we have oh, what's this? Ah, now we need a scissors again. Why are dolls always so hard to open? Okay, so here's a jacket with some bunny ears. That's cute. And it's actually pretty thick. Good for the winter. So in here, I guess the doll is in here. So let's see. This is real fluffy. Okay, so there's a plastic container inside. And it's quite hard to get out. I don't want to ruin her. Oh, now we got it out. Okay. Now let's see what's in here. Oh no, more tape. Always tape everywhere. And there's some more tape. Here. Now she's open. It's like in a cocoon. Oh, she's heavier than I thought. She's got some weight in her. Okay, so here she is. My Nana surprise. She's so cute. She has got some turquoise top and bottom and some bunny stockings. Real cute. And she's got her bunny ears on her hat. And her hair is like white with some little glitter in it. It's real long. Look. That's cute. And she has a little thing here. Maybe I cut that off. I think it's supposed to open, but I don't know what's inside here. Maybe it's just a... I think it's just a... Oh, here. It says, Nana surprise, Aspen Fluff. Birthday, December 21st. Bunny Slopes ain't got nothing on me. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah. And she's from Series 2. I forgot to say that. I actually haven't found any from Series 1 or Series 3 in Sweden. So it's weird that I found Series 2. But I'm so happy because I found one. Maybe I should get her dressed so you can see how she looks. And she has... I can show you before I get her dressed. She can turn her head, and she's soft. She's a soft doll. She can turn her arms and her legs. And I don't know if they bend. No, they don't bend. But she can sit, and hopefully she can stand on her own. I'm not sure about that, but hopefully. I love dolls that can stand on their own. So much easier. Okay, now I'm gonna have to pause again because her arms are stuck. I can't get the shirt on her. Okay, so now I got her all dressed up. It wasn't the easiest thing to do because her hands keep getting stuck inside the shirt. But her shoes were very easy. So here's what she looks like. And her little bunny ears, if they can stand like that. And she has some bunny ears here, and her tiny little shoes. Maybe we should try and see if she can stand on her own. Oh, I can't see that, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Maybe with a little luck and some training, she can stand on her own, but right now, no. She's just falling. But that's okay because I just fell for her. She's so adorable, and of course, this one I'm gonna cut off. I don't think she wants a big thing in her hat. Oh, and the hat is not removable. That's actually an important thing to say, because it looks like it is, but it isn't. I think you can cut it off, but her hair is stuck inside. So I think that if you remove the hat, maybe you remove all of her hair too, and that's not so good. But anyway, she's amazing, and I'm so happy that I found her finally. And of course, she's gonna get a buddy soon because she can't be alone. So thanks for watching, and keep on watching when new videos come out. Thank you. Bye.